When it comes to product rollouts, Garmin rarely strays from its disciplined roadmap. Based on previous patterns, including the release of the Forerunner 265 in March 2023, it's highly likely that its successor, the Forerunner 275, will make its debut in the first quarter of 2025. This schedule isn't arbitrary. Spring releases strategically target a period when many runners begin ramping up their training routines for marathons, races, and outdoor adventures in warmer weather. Garmin understands its audience well. The brand's timing aligns perfectly with the seasonal rhythm of athletic training, ensuring that its latest devices are available right when motivation peaks. This calculated approach also enables the company to stay competitive by delivering fresh products ahead of the summer fitness boom, a time when many consumers look to upgrade their gear. Moreover, launching in early spring allows Garmin to generate buzz during a quieter period in the tech release calendar, avoiding the noise of fall smartphone and wearable launches. This gives the Forerunner 275 a clearer runway to make an impact. Modernized aesthetics. A new look for the Forerunner line. Style is no longer an afterthought in performance wearables. Athletes want gear that not only delivers precision metrics but also looks and feels great all day long. That's why one of the anticipated highlights of the Forerunner 275 is its revamped physical design. Leaks and insider tips suggest a move toward slimmer bezels, a slightly larger AMOLED display, and a sleeker, more refined case. If this proves true, users can expect a watch that blends the sporty robustness of Garmin's legacy with a touch of urban sophistication, something you're just as likely to wear in the office as on a trail run. The brighter display will likely aid visibility in direct sunlight or dim conditions, while touch responsiveness may also be enhanced. A more vibrant, high-resolution screen could also support richer data visualization, making workout summaries, recovery stats, and navigation prompts easier to read at a glance. Comfort will remain a priority, with lightweight materials and breathable straps designed for all-day use, whether you're pacing through a city or trekking in the mountains. Taking wellness further, cutting-edge health and recovery metrics. Garmin's reputation in health and performance tracking is second to none, and the Forerunner 275 is expected to take that even further. Among the likely upgrades is a next-generation heart rate sensor designed to deliver even more accurate readings across a wider range of activities. In addition to refined heart rate tracking, the watch is expected to integrate real-time blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, monitoring, and advanced heart rate variability, HRV, analysis. These features go beyond fitness. They speak directly to holistic wellness, providing users with valuable insights into stress, recovery, and even sleep quality. Garmin may also expand its sleep tracking algorithms and recovery score systems, giving athletes a better understanding of when to push and when to rest. Combined with personalized training readiness reports, these updates could help optimize performance and reduce the risk of overtraining. For those recovering from injury or managing chronic health conditions, this enhanced monitoring can serve as a reliable guide to safer, more informed training decisions. Navigation reimagined, expanding the map for runners and explorers. Garmin's legacy in outdoor navigation is well established, but the Forerunner 275 might break new ground by bringing high-end mapping capabilities, once reserved for more expensive models, into its mid-tier lineup. Speculation suggests that the 275 will include native topographic maps and turn-by-turn navigation. This is a massive upgrade for trail runners, hikers, and cyclists, allowing them to explore unfamiliar paths with confidence. Waypoint navigation, course planning, and real-time rerouting could all be handled directly from the wrist, eliminating the need for a paired phone or external GPS device. Such features transform the watch from a simple tracker into a powerful tool for adventure planning and route execution. Whether you're carving through alpine switchbacks or finding your way through an urban jungle, the Forerunner 275 aims to be the ultimate guide. Endurance: you can rely on battery life and charging innovations. For endurance athletes, battery performance is not a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why the Forerunner 275 is rumored to take a big leap forward in power efficiency. Expectations point toward a smartwatch mode capable of surpassing 20 days of usage on a single charge. For GPS-intensive activities, the battery may last several days with moderate use or potentially over 30 hours in continuous tracking mode, ideal for ultramarathons, backpacking trips, or extended travel. A particularly exciting rumor involves the possibility of wireless charging support. If Garmin moves away from its proprietary clip-style charger, this could dramatically improve convenience and reduce cable clutter. Athletes on the go would benefit from easier recharges, especially with the rising availability of universal wireless charging pads. Combined with battery-saving software modes like adaptive screen dimming or activity-based power profiles, the Forerunner 275 may set a new bar for battery performance in its class. Smarter than ever, a wearable that's also a digital assistant. Beyond fitness, today's athletes demand smarter wearable tech. Garmin appears ready to deliver on that front by making the Forerunner 275 more connected and intuitive than ever before. Rumors suggest it will support offline music storage, allowing users to pair Bluetooth earbuds and enjoy playlists or podcasts without needing a phone. This is a key feature for runners who want to stay light and untethered. There's also buzz around enhanced smart notifications, possible voice assistant integration, and deeper compatibility with third-party apps. From handling calls and texts to checking the weather or controlling smart home devices, the 275 could inch closer to full smartwatch territory without compromising its athletic DNA. Garmin's Connect IQ platform may also play a central role, enabling users to customize widgets, watch faces, and data fields to suit their preferences, making the device feel less like a tracker and more like a digital companion tailored to individual lifestyles.